Hi guys! Today we are going to react to Dahon. This is Nini and welcome to Naomi. June, let's go. I saw a lot of the teaser and it's giving wedding vibes. And obviously this is a continuation of the Kaibigan, which is from Justin's previous video. So I don't know because Justin is very creative, so I don't know what to expect. Although I've seen a lot of the clips, I've seen some clips from other reactors. So let us see, because seeing someone react to it is different from reacting it on your own. There's no other thing to affect you. So let us go to the video. I'm not like a super duper fan. I love SB19, but I'm not into like everything that's going in with their life. So some maisan are already familiar with these three characters, and I'm not familiar with them. I think I've seen them somewhere, but let us see what is their essence in the story of Justin. Okay, so I just realized that I'm holding like a flower a bit like it fits the theme of Justin's music video right now. Maybe I got it instinctively. Like this is a color crochet flower that a student before have given to me and I just got it. So I'll put my mic on it. So yeah, I just thought of it. So random. It's really obvious that it is Maki's masterpiece. Like we can hear the Makiism in the song. It's somewhat the same as his previous song. I'm not sure of the title where Justin also had a cameo. It doesn't sound the same, but it gives the same vibe. Like hoping for an everlasting love, something like that. Okay, I get it. So it's like the trio that they had in Kaibigan, and in its essence, he's obviously talking about the girl in the Kaibigan, and him saying na kahit ano mangyari, whatever happens, even though she ends up hurting him, you know, he will still love him, and that's martyr stuff. We don't want to do that in real life, but that's very poetic in this story. Oh no, she's losing her life. Parang ratata. Ayun na yung ano, flowers na may eyes. Oh, wait. So I realized na yung faces nung mga characters dito sa animation part ng dahon is the masks na ginamit ni Justin, sinuot ni Justin dun sa Surreal music video. Kasama na rin yung flower na may mata nasa Surreal music video. So all of those were like foreshadow kung ano yung mga susunod na part ng story. Galing talaga ng Justin. No? Napaka-creative, napaka-imaginative. Okay, wow. She regained her strength. Hala, parang, wait lang, let's go back a little bit. Okay, sa part na iyon, okay, naglolokong laptop, napakagaling. Okay, so what I was saying was, yung part na yun, na-regain niya na yung strength. I think yung mushroom was the other guy in Kaibigan. And parang Xiaolongbao, Xiaolongbao, na, or parang onion character was Justin. And the girl was aware that it was Justin, or like the character of Justin, who helped her. Although kahit nasa harapan niya, yung other guy yung tumulong sa kanya. Again, parang connected pa rin siya dun sa trio nila dun sa kaibigan. So, ayun, napipick up ko lang naman siya. I'm not sure if yun talaga yung gustong ipahiwatig ni Justin, pero yun yung napipick up ko. Ayan, ayan. See? The mushroom guy yung laging sa tabi niya, but the onion guy or the Xiaolongbao guy, yun yung laging gumagawa ng effort, leads, yung nagdi-lead para matulungan yung female character sa animation. Gets niyo ba? Yun. Para talagang ratata ba yun? Yung animation ng frog parang Howling's Castle. Ano ba yun? Hindi kasi ako nanonood masyado ng ganun, pero yun. Howl's Moving Castle. Make it make sense. I'm sorry. Mananatili. Nakita niyo yung suit ni Justin? It really represents dahon on its own. Yung damit pa lang niya, napaka-detail-oriented talaga ni Justin. Kasi kung makikita mo sa damit niya, merong mga growing na mga dahon, parang lumot dun sa damit niya. Tapos, may part na warat. So, parang it really emphasizes yung theme ng dahon na even if he is worn out. Gaano man, ano mang mangyari sa mundo, ganon, his love will remain. So, ano talaga, napaka-martyr talaga nung perspective. Hindi ko alam kung ano bang naging inspiration ni Justin dito, pero, I'm really, uh, happy for him na he made this masterpiece. Ano to? Kaibigan. Okay. Maybe that was like in between of the story within Kaibigan. No, medyo yun napipick up ng utak ko na initially tanggap naman niya na there is another guy, and despite the fact he feel like he can still continue the love that he has for the girl. But during Kaibigan, at the very end, when the girl like told him that it wouldn't really go over that friendship friend zone, it made him realize the fact na maybe it's not ideal for him to continue. Parang yun lang naman naisip ko. So at the end, pinakita na sinulog niya na maybe those were the animations or the friendship that they had, the dreams that he had for the relationship, whether it's platonic or romantic with his friends. Eventually he let it go. So parang I think part yun ng acceptance. Siguro acceptance na yun na na he dreamt of this but it's not realistic. It's not um it's not ideal for the situation. So, yun ang na-pick up ko. And I think we are still expecting for one more song in this storyline kasi meron pang Snow. So, ano kaya ang magiging susunod na song ni Justin? Ano kayang i-expect natin? So, that is in the future. So, talagang abang-abang lang tayo. And recently, si Pablo naman ang nag-post, nag-change, nagpaparamdam. So, isa rin yan sa mga abangan natin. So, that is all for us today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe in my YouTube channel. And that is all. Bye bye.